this is the Sonic Blizzard coaster. I just got it, and this is how it works.
And I built it in how long?
And I built it only for like 6 hours in the afternoon.
Right.
And like the entire morning, so that's another 6 hours.
How big is this?
This is about, well, we get our ruler here. This is about
Let's just say, let's estimate.
6. So that's 1 foot right here.
Yeah, so it's about...
So then this is 2 feet.
3...
This is 3 feet. So this is 3.5 feet in all.
Wow.
Almost 3.6.
Alright, can we see how it works?
Okay. Well...
That's okay. Well, hit it from there and we'll see the whole thing all the way through. Okay, I've got you. Beautiful.
Okay. I just want you to get the logos on this.
Oh, I got the logos, alright.
That never happens with the white one.
So
And this is
cool.
called the Sonic Blizzard coaster. Obviously, you can see. And then there's some snow marks on the side.
Oh, yeah.
And right here, you can put your iPod, rest it on here. Dad.
Hold on a second. Just getting these guys going up.
You're gonna follow it.
So cool. And where can you put the iPod?
So the iPod goes right here,
Oh, okay.
and then you just plug it in, so that way it has a rest, and it can
okay,
play
so
music while everything's riding down, so you don't have to hear that annoying motor going around.